Welcome back to Hooked on Tool, where we have another quick DIY method for you today. In this guide, we are going to talk about what you can do if you want to make a neat, round hole with your drill. For this, you are going to need a bottle cap, a hammer, nails, and a couple of other things. With these things, you will be able to make a round drill hole cutter that is going to be very handy. We have this piece of wood here to safely make a hole inside of a bottle cap, which is important for this DIY guide. After placing the bottle cap on top of the piece of wood, we are going to use a hammer and this nail to make a hole inside the bottle cap. Once the hole is done, you can place a bolt through it. Before placing a screw through the hole you made inside your bottle cap, make sure to place a bolt on one end of the screw. Now, place the bottle cap on the nail so that it reaches all the way to the bolt you just placed. After that, place another bolt on the nail, this time on the opposite side so that it's covered too. Make sure that you tighten the second bolt enough that it reaches all the way to the other end and traps the bottle cap. This ensures a better grip on the bottle cap, as it will not be able to fall off during use thanks to the bolts blocking it. After you do all of this, you can use pliers and a screwdriver to hold one nut while you tighten the other like we are doing here. Now that this is done, you can place the screw with the bottle cap on your drill. Place the screw on the drill and tighten it up as well as you can. Once you know that it is fixed well enough, it will be ready for use. Now we are going to show you how this can be effective for making round holes using your drill by giving a demonstration of the drill being used on plastic. We are going to place the drill bit on top of the surface we want to make a hole in, and then start the drill at a low pace. That way, it will slowly start to take its shape, after which we can increase the drill speed. You can see here how this drill hole cutter was able to make a nice circle on the plastic surface. With this DIY method, you can make a similar cutter for whatever you need to drill at home or anywhere else. We hope that you liked this video, and that it was able to help you with whatever you plan to drill.